Jorge
and Way!
Riffing and then we'll have material.
Okay.
Do you like dragons? Do you think we would want dragons flying around?
No. Dinosaurs are pretty close to dragons.
Yeah, the pterodactyls, silent peas.
Those things were massive, like huge.
They were huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, but those mostly wings. They're like huge bats.
Hairless bats.
Dinosaurs had feathers.
Apparently.
Close to birds. They're really related to birds somehow. And they can carry air in their bones just like modern birds do, like pigeons and stuff like that.
Do you think birds ever think about their distant ancestors and get depressed? Imagine if you're a bird that just had this like unshakable feeling that there was some lineage far before you of awesome, gigantic versions of you that had like scales and feathers and claws and shit and just fuck shit up. Wouldn't you feel a little depressed?
Yeah, I feel like I have to say yes to that. Depends how cool of a pigeon you are around the block.
So describe a cool pigeon.
Mike Tyson.
So you're a pigeon that belongs to Mike Tyson.
Doesn't belong to Mike Tyson, but he takes care of you. He feeds you,
okay.
He talks to you, he reads poems to you.
Mike Tyson's like your homie.
Mike Tyson's your homie.
Do you think Mike Tyson like dresses his birds, like gives them like swag? Like
he
little
should.
jackets and like sunglasses and
little
stuff,
jackets.
You know? Yeah, just like little pigeon jackets, you know. They have like open sleeves so that your wings can come out of them while you
That would
fly.
be awesome.
Yeah.
That should be a thing. They should be making fashion for birds.
Fashion for birds. I think we have our next startup idea right here.
Fashion for birds. Then you have to deal with PETA.
Yeah.
Well, no, because you can get a little chihuahua, a little dress or something.
Is PETA against animal costumes?
They're against cruelty. I guess they'll say, well, you're putting clothing on a bird. I don't know why that would be cruelty. Dude, I'm sure they'll find something wrong with it.
It's a very I was thinking, is it cruel if the bird wears a leather jacket? Pleather? Maybe it's like a really alpha male bird, so it wears a jacket made out of feathers. But it's like eagle feathers.
How would that look?
More of a target or less of a
I
target?
think it'd be less of a target. I think the falcon
Like,
will be like, whoa,
you know,
it kills.
Like they do that bird thing. They're like the side.
So they have to like
so
take
like,
multiple. I don't know this for sure, but I feel like they have to do that.
like a shit ton of vision around them. I probably need to swear less on this.
No, you can swear. It's our video. Swear.
Swear.
You can swear. Pigeon. Fashion should be called swear.
Why?
Pigeons.
Oh, so it's
Pigeon
a Sean
swear.
Connery line.
Sean Connery line of fashion.
Yeah.
I call it pigeon swear.
Pigeon swear.
But for short, it's swear.
Believe me, the cats did not start meowing because they heard me meowing.
I believe you. I believe you. I'm not arguing that point. That would be a stupid argument.
Although it is weird how high I can pitch my
I
voice
know.
out.
Do it again. Jesus, dude. No.
No.
I feel like that's like a maple glazed donut. Is it bleeding out? The jam is coming out of the donut.